Are you also running Instagram lead ads to receive new leads for your business and to receive registrations for your webinars and workshops? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add Instagram lead ads leads as Zoom meeting registrants. So I'm hosting a fitness workshop using Zoom and I'm receiving new registrations for my workshop through Instagram lead ads. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to add the lead received as a registrant for my workshop in my Zoom account. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my Zoom account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see a quick working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen, you can see my Instagram lead ad which I'm running to attract the new potential clients or participants for my workshop that I'm hosting using Zoom. So now here in this case, I want that as soon as this form is submitted, then automatically the lead who has submitted the form should be added as a registrant under my Zoom meeting which is named as Fitness Workshop. So here I've already built an automation for this. So let's test the automation. So here I'm going to make a submission over here. And then I'm going to click on the submit, and here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So here I've done a test submission using lead ads testing tool by Meta so that I can generate a test lead for my Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Zoom meeting. Here I'm going to click on this registrations. Here I'm going to refresh it. And from here I'm going to click on this view button. And here you can see I've successfully created a new registrant for this particular workshop which is named as Fitness Workshop. And here you can see the detail of the registrant which I've created with the name dummy lead and the email as dummy@pabblytunes.com. So by setting up this automation, every lead who submits their details through my Instagram ads get instantly registered for my Zoom event. This saves me time, ensures no lead is missed and provides a smooth experience for my audience. It helps me focus more on delivering a great event and less on managing registrations. So now I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create this amazing automation to manage your registrations very easily. So for that, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my Zoom account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here we are going to use Pabbly Connect to automate the entire process, and this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. But here, before moving forward with this connection, let me show you the connection that I've built between my Instagram account and my Facebook page. So this is my Instagram account and this is my Facebook page which is named as the Yoga Nest, and I'm running Instagram lead ad using this Facebook page as I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page which is named as the Yoga Nest. And here in my Meta Ads Manager, you can see the campaign that I have created for my fitness workshop, and here you can see the lead ad form which I've already connected from my Facebook page. So here what we are going to do is that we are going to use this particular campaign and the form to generate new leads for our new fitness workshop. So here let's move back to our Pabbly Connect, and from here I'm going to click on this sign in. And now here after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Instagram lead ads leads as Zoom meeting registrants, because I want to add my Instagram lead ads as a new registrant for my Zoom meeting. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger first. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads because I'm receiving new leads through my Instagram lead ads. So basically, Instagram lead ads are a type of ad that lets business collect information from potential customers directly within Instagram. So here we are going to connect our Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the leads over here. So for that, here in this trigger event, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instance so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my Facebook account, which I've already connected with my Instagram account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook and my Instagram account. And here after building the successful connection, let's move forward. And then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen. So here I've already shown you my Facebook page, which is named as the Yoga Nest. And to get the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Ads Manager. And here you can see my lead form, which I've connected with the name sign up form new. And here you can see the form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to select my page as the Yoga Nest, and for the lead gen form I'm going to select the form name as sign up form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see after clicking on the save and send test request, here it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead for our Instagram lead ad. So here I've already shown you the process of generating the test lead using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So again here to generate the test lead, I'm going to use that tool again. So for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. And here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead given over here. And then I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now here in my lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page, which is named as the Yoga Nest. So this is my page, and here I'm going to select my form as sign up form new. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as User, email as smart@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter random phone number. And here for the city, I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead for our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number, city, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, I want to add the lead received as a new registrant for my fitness workshop, which I'm hosting using Zoom. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Zoom over here. So as you all know that Zoom is a video conferencing tool that makes it easy for people to connect and meet face to face online. So here in this action step, we are going to connect our Zoom account with Pabbly Connect in order to create new registrants for our meeting. So here in my Zoom action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a meeting registrant so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically that lead is going to add as a new registrant for our Zoom meeting. And now here to connect my Zoom with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Zoom account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoom. And authorization successful. So here you can see it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Zoom account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Zoom account. So now moving forward, and here you can see it is asking me to select the meeting. So here in this meeting field, I need to select the meeting under which I want to create new registrants. So here I've already shown you that I'm hosting a meeting in my Zoom with the name Fitness Workshop, and I want to add the new registrant under this particular workshop. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the meeting, I'm going to select my meeting which is named as Fitness Workshop. And now here after selecting the meeting, scrolling little down, and then here it is asking me to enter the email address, first name, last name and some other details as well. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the email address of my lead. So this is my lead's email address. So I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the first name, I'm going to search for the first name. So this is my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. So this is my lead's last name. Moving forward, here this address is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the address, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the city, I'm going to map the city. So this is my lead city. Moving forward, again this country, zip and state are not required fields. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the phone, I'm going to map the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Moving forward, again these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And then here it is asking me purchasing time frame. For that I'm going to select no time frame. Role in purchase process not involved. Number of employees as 1 to 20, and here this comments is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the registrant ID and the topic as fitness workshop. That means we have successfully created a new registrant for our fitness workshop in our Zoom account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. Here I'm going to click on this registration, and now I'm going to click on this view. And here you can see we have successfully created a new registrant with the name Smart User and the email as smart@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instagram lead ads and my action as Zoom. So here, as you all know, that here I'm running Instagram lead ads to receive new leads for my fitness workshop that I'm hosting using Zoom. So now here in this case, I want that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead received should be added as a registrant under my Zoom meeting which I'm hosting for my fitness workshop. Okay, so these were the steps to how to add Instagram lead ads leads as Zoom meeting registrants. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the Clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.